And this is a chilling development that we're reporting on from the state of Meghalaya. A honeymoon that turned into a chilling tragedy in near Shillong city. Couple from Indore, Raja and Sonam, had gone missing on the 23rd day of May after checking out of a homestay that they were in Nongriyat in this area. This is the Cherrapunji area of Meghalaya. Days later, Raja's body was found deep in a gorge in Sora. The couple had gone missing. A tattoo on his right hand confirmed the identity of the victim. Shockingly, the wife Sonam is still missing. Her white shirt, medicine strip, broken mobile parts are found near the body of her husband. The police have confirmed murder, recovered the suspected weapon and formed a special investigation team. On the other hand, Raja's family has demanded a CBI probe alleging murder, citing that his gold rings, chain, wallet are missing. As NDRF and drones join the search, the spotlight is on Meghalaya's tourist safety. This isn't the first case. Very recently, 3 months ago, a Hungarian tourist had died mysteriously on the same trail.
The post-mortem of the body of Raja Raghuvanshi was done. Case has been registered. A special investigation team has been formed, headed by SP City. We have recovered the phone of Raja Raghuvanshi down there, a Vivo phone. We also have recovered the weapon used in the crime, and it's all been seized.
What about the Sonam's whereabouts?
We haven't found the body yet, so we can't tell.
उनके साथ गलत हुआ है, तभी उनके साथ जो कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं हो रहे हैं, सभी चीजें कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं हो रही है। और ये पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट में भी प्राइमरी ऐसा लग रहा है कि उनका मर्डर किया गया है। देखिए, सरकार तो उस समय ये कह रही थी कि हम पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं उनको ढूंढने की, और उनका जो था उस समय वो कर भी रहे थे, लेकिन अब चूंकि वो जो जगह थी वो बिल्कुल माउंटेन है और वो मौसम भी जो था वो लगातार बारिश हो रही थी और ठीक नहीं था, तो रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन में ये बात सही है कि समस्या आ रही थी, लेकिन वो कोई क्लू नहीं मिल रहा था। और जहाँ पर बॉडी मिली है वो जगह और उसको देखते हुए ऐसा लग रहा है कि कहीं ना कहीं इनके साथ अगर जल्दी सर्चिंग हो जाती तो हो सकता था बच भी जाते, लेकिन अभी तो ऐसा बताया जा रहा है कि उनका तो मर्डर ही हुआ है। और तो हम चाहेंगे कि जो उनकी वाइफ है वो जो मिसिंग है उसको ढूंढना चाहिए, और दूसरा इस केस में नीचे तक जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये जो मेघालय है ये टूरिस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ से बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। ये पूरे देश के लोग टूरिज्म के लिए वहाँ जाते हैं, तो एक लोकल एसोसिएशन को और सरकार को चिंता करना चाहिए टूरिस्ट की किस प्रकार से हम सेफ रखें और उनको गाइड करें, क्योंकि मेघालय में पूरा जो इकोनॉमी है हमको ऐसे लगी वहाँ जाने के बाद कि टूरिस्ट बेस्ड है पूरा एरिया। तो टूरिस्ट को अगर ऐसा होगा तो टूरिस्ट जाने में अगर कम हो गए तो वहाँ की इकोनॉमी में इफेक्ट पड़ेगा।
All right, essentially we had this MP in question from Indore who was there in the city of Shillong just last week, building pressure on the administration to look for the honeymooning couple whose husband's body essentially has now been found. I'm going straight across to Amritanshi Joshi, getting in more on that story. Essentially, the MP from Indore was there in Shillong city. The family members, of course, had also, I understand, Amritanshi, gone to Cherrapunji to look for the missing couple. You know, what are they saying now? That the worst fears are confirmed, that they are dead, at least the husband's body has been found.
So this couple went missing around like 2 weeks ago, and from that time only police is looking out for the couple. Now the husband's body was found in a gorge at the hills at near a waterfall, but still the body of the wife Sonam is missing right now. The SP of the area has confirmed that it was a murder because they have received as an evidence a dao, which is a weapon, and police has confirmed that this dao was used to kill Raja Raghuvanshi, who has been murdered in Meghalaya. Also, apart from that, the post-mortem report is also revealing that he was murdered with a sharp weapon, which was collected as an evidence by the place where the body was found. Now the police is constantly looking. They are on a manhunt to look out for the body of Sonam also, because Sonam has also been missing, and after that they also find find a white shirt of Sonam, of a ladies of Sonam at near the body of Raja Raghuvanshi. Apart from that, an SIT has been constituted in the whole case, and the SIT is searching for the body of Sonam, and also what was the motive behind of killing Raja Raghuvanshi. This is also been the all evidences are collected by the SIT team. Apart from that, all the relatives of Sonam and Raja are there. Also, we were listening the MP of Indore, who was saying that it has been confirmed by the police that this was a murder. Now the police are searching for the body of Sonam. Apart from that, the motive behind this is now being searched by the police. Also, because they were missing from around 2 weeks, and there was no evidence of them, because there was a last phone call of Sonam with her mother-in-law, in which they were saying that they were at a place. They went there with a two-wheeler, and they were on the place, and they were roaming there, and they were at the hills. But after that, there was no phone call, and also in the phone call, Sonam mentioned that the phone of her husband Raja was turned off during that time, because there were no signals. Now the probe is going on. They are searching for Sonam also. But what was the motive? Who was the killer? Because Dao was been collected as an evidence from the place. The weapon was collected as an evidence. And now what probe will result, because the post-mortem report is out now, and they are searching for the killer also, and the motive behind the killing of Raja Raghuvanshi, and mainly the body of Sonam also. Yes, back to you.
That's right. I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Amritaji Joshi getting into those details on that very disturbing story that we're reporting on. This is very close to Shillong city. It is in Cherrapunji, in the Sora area of Cherrapunji, where this couple were missing since the 23rd of May. And the body of, in fact, one of the victims here has been found. The cops have said that prima facie, the initial information is clear that the man at least was murdered. And the body now, I understand, has been taken to Negrims, which is in fact the big government hospital there for post-mortem and for other procedures that are required.